In this video, I will demonstrate how I mix guitar into my Kompa beats. Many people have asked whether the guitars in my beats are performed live, created with VST plugins, or a combination of both. I will also explain how I mix them to achieve a professional sound. I have my beat, which I will use as an example. Let's have a quick preview of a couple of seconds before starting anything. This introduction to my Kompa beat consists of several layers of guitars. One layer features a guitar loop performed and recorded by my friend, who is a talented guitarist. Be sure to check out his channel linked in the video description. Additionally, I have layered 3 other guitars using VST plugins from Ample Guitar and Contact. When played together, they create a beautiful introduction to our song. However, the sound is muddy, undefined, and completely clashing. We need to fix this. We'll start by addressing each element one by one. First, I will focus on the recorded audio of the guitar. To start with the first guitar, I will be using Guitar Rig 7 from Native Instruments. This plugin does not come with FL Studio. You need to download and install it. The download link is in the video description. It has a lot of components. You can search or filter the list. I will add an amplifier. The amplifier boosts the sound, and I will add vintage vibrato to make the sound more analog rather than digital. Finally, I will add taper wobble for some analog texture. This is a personal preference and not necessary. This is the second guitar played at a lower string. That's why it sounds like a bass. Nothing fancy here, just a drop clean bass preset from Guitar Rig. This is the third guitar. It has built-in effects that make our guitar sound unrealistic. So I'm going to disable all of them. Now our guitar sounds natural and realistic. We don't need any delays or reverb on it. This is the fourth guitar, an Ample Guitar VST. I will do the same and delete all built-in effects. Sometimes these presets come with a lot of unnecessary features, but the good thing is you can disable those you don't like. In total, I layered 4 guitars. Only one was played live with a real electric guitar, while the other 3 are VST plugins. They are perfectly mixed and balanced. If you are watching until this part, it means you are interested in my videos. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to support my channel, don't forget to purchase my Kompa Zouk production kit. The link is in the video description.